All right. Storm chase impromptu on August 5th. We have a good hour and a half to chase. We already had 3 tornado warnings in El Paso County. Wait, 4. 3? No, 4.
That's because it was east.
Alone. One that almost ran over our house. So we got some footage of that. But we didn't see... Ender saw the lowering earlier, but we didn't see one after that. So what we're going to do is we're going to head east on Woodman and south on Powers. And hope to see the Cimarron Hills storm, which is currently tornado warned.
From a good position. Because before we get to the intersection of 94, you know, because 21 turns into, all the way down there, 21 turns into 24.
It doesn't turn into it.
It merges.
It merges into Platte, which becomes 24.
Yeah, which is on the intersection of 24 and 94, which is actually a very good position right now to be at.
Cool. So we just like it rains.
We can see the hail core regardless. Or see if it's going to drop anything large.
The reason we only have an hour and a half though is because poor Ender has to go to work. All I know is I would want to chase this by myself, but also not, because I would be heavily distracted trying to multitask. Yeah, defrost is on. Might want to turn it to warmer temperature.
Our breath is condensating, not too much.
Yeah. That is on the outside. The condensation's on the outside. You know what that means? That means the rain that dropped earlier is evaporating quickly, which means it'll fuel more storms.
Moist environment.
Very moist. We're in like 50s, upper 50s, 60s dew points.
That's what used to this. Weaker signal.
Okay, it's weakening. How's the storm behind it look?
Interesting.
Confusing. Got it.
Pretty much. Weird, they're kind of weakening now.
I think they're interacting with each other. It's sort of...
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, exactly. We're sort of congealing into a line. Which is actually what the enhanced risk today is for. It's for a big windbag line. But that's farther southeast.
Once they get into the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles, like gusts of 70 to 90 miles an hour, which is usually a sig derecho. Just taps that.
We would chase that, but we don't have time, and well, we don't know how to chase derechos. The severe squall we chased last time was enough for now, in terms of that sort of thing.
Kind of our first reaction, but we have to be calm and collected. Storm chasers that can be informed spotters that save people's lives.
Yeah, and I'll admit, I tend to get caught up in the adrenaline and the excitement and make educated guesses that aren't necessarily accurate.
No, and because guesstimations.
And that doesn't help anybody. So that's a flaw that I gotta work on while we're chasing.
I need to make decisions faster.
Yeah, we each have our flaws, but together we'll figure things out.
For now. Until we're busy enough that we can't chase her.
Which is gonna be sad. But next week looks pretty active. So
seriously?
There's a chance that we could
This came in so late.
Oh, was that the tornado warning?
Oh yes, it was.
Wow. Google, you gotta get on top of your game. You issue these warnings like 20 minutes late.
Google does the wireless emergency alerts? I don't think they do. When the National Weather Service does it, the broadcasting people have to like pick up on it and then do it. I don't know how it works. I'm guessing.
That could be it. Maybe they do it too late. I don't. Ooh, a little bit of flood in here.
Especially when it's very fast. Just good. It's very hard to tell and identify. Oh, what's this? What's that? And then you get caught up. You're like, yeah.
We make overestimated or underestimated guesses. Yeah. But more likely
besides scud, it's like, oh, that's a cloud rising. Oh, there's some other clouds rising. And it's like, well, what's what? You gotta,
well, until a tornado actually, like, lands near the ground and is starting to kick out
Circulation.
stuff,
Unless it's a funnel.
you can't really confirm.
Nope.
And that's what makes this difficult.
Very difficult, especially where we live.
As opposed to hail, that's pretty self-explanatory. Ice balls falling from the sky is pretty easy to figure out.
Wait.
The
I'm so confused.
Radarscope's GPS is not the most accurate, so that doesn't help either. We need to look for
Actually,
that
we're
horseshoe
working-
shape.
We're working with the tools we got.
Yeah. We can't rely too heavily on radar, and we can't rely too heavily on our vision.
Well, you know
We
which
gotta
way,
do a good balance.
You know which way power south is, so it's obviously.
Yeah.
It's obviously right. From there, heading to 24. So that one is not. It's pretty much hitting the house.
Is there good hail core on it, or is it just heavy rain?
Oh my gosh, what's that Denver radar? Yours went off late too now?
Yeah, really late. Wow.
Oh wow, I would say the one down by Denver, 2 inch. Easily up there.
2 inch, whoa.
That was really late.
That was. It says warning until 3 p.m. Well, 3 p.m. is 5 minutes from now. It's like,
The
okay.
broadcasting station needs to up their game a little bit if this happens again.
Yeah, they do.
Which is why us
People's
spotters, I
lives
just
are in
realized,
risk
are...
here, so.
I realize that's why actually we're important. They can't get the warnings out like that. So imagine in the deep south, that's what it's like. It's already on the ground, imagine. That's why well,
Yeah.
sure, us spotters actually see the light.
Especially in the deep south, because those things can cook at 60, 70 miles an hour. That gives you less than 5 minutes.
It's 5 minutes or less to get to shelter. Yeah. Before, I mean, who knows?
Alright.
That's a very good point.
Approaching powers.
I didn't think that, yeah. If we ever go to Dixie Alley, which I've only been down there once in my life, of course, because I'm young, but considering Scarlet's kind of not.
I am not leaning towards going chasing in Dixie Alley until I've met Reed Timmer and get advice from him. Because he's done that lots of times. Dixie is notoriously dangerous to chase in. I don't want to risk too much.
Well, I suppose as you go with your quotes, it's like,
Okay, southbound powers. Here we go.
wait, whoa, what? Mom said she thinks she sees a tornado. Where are they?
Whoa. Yeah, where? Alright, Powers should give us a clearer view of this storm because east of Powers there's like hardly anything.
Yeah, well, we could take 24 if you want. Or we could continue south towards, shoot.
Is 24 clear of it? Or well, close but not.
She said call me. What is she looking at? What could she possibly be looking at?
I mean, it's pretty dark over there to the west.
It is. I think it's not. Anyway,
Okay, I'm gonna stay in the right lane just in case we go slower. We gotta keep an eye on our target storm here.
okay, tell me what you see. What is it? Because we're on. No, we're not on the hill. We were before the helicore was coming, so we decided to get down. We're on power south right now. Oh, I see what you mean. So you're just talking about those little low clouds we see from here. Yeah. I don't know. We're having trouble identifying features today. It's very difficult. I know. Shine Mountain's area or Fountain? I think I know it's okay, yeah. We can see it from here. We're heading south on Powers towards East 94. I mean, the entire tornado warnings on the storm we're actually looking at right now, east of Cimarron Hills, so yeah, that entire complex is warned, so no, also the warning came in really
doesn't mean you shouldn't be prepared, but
But sure, yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. You just got that pull on.
oh, okay.
Oh,
There's some
no,
lower features
yeah, nah, that's over there. This is way better. Man, we're gonna head all the way
Ooh,
south.
there's some lowering features over there.
Again, it's just maybe that's
It's
what
hard
you
to tell, but like
that's what
that
she was
looks
wanting
more
to do.
promising than what we've seen before.
It's actually crossing 94 right now.
Oh, it's crossing 94 as we speak.
No, but once we get to the intersection, we try to stay behind it.
Okay. I can't remember. Does Platt exit
2 inch.
to the
They are
right
more
of
different. 2 inch.
2 inch? Wow. Does Platt exit to the right of Powers?
No, the house is actually getting hit right now. Yeah.
What the hell? Wow. Because like I'm trying to remember if
No, you take a left. You take a left towards 24, but it merges to 94.
no,
That
I'm
intersection.
talking about from Powers to Platt, which becomes 24.
That's I assume that intersection. We might just want to wait till here, but as long as we're at the intersection, we can go follow behind it. That's what I'm saying. Follow behind.
Yeah, you're right.
Good position. Although this giant, I'm pretty baseball. No, 2 inch.
2 inches still.
But look at this thing. I mean, it looks like. Whoa, 80 dBc in there.
Almost.
Actually, we gotta watch the ones that is cool.
We gotta watch all of them. They're all in a pretty favorable environment.
Wait, is it advised to not take roads that have so many lights? I don't know. It's really hard to do where we live.
Well, as long as you're not like inside the storm while you're stopped at a light.
Sorry, it's
I'm
left
pretty
up,
sure
left
you're
up flat, yes. To the intersection.
good. No, what's that look like on satellite? Like, is it an exit like an interstate, or is it?
No, it is an exit, yeah. It's just
Okay,
flat.
cool. So
Sorry,
okay,
I knew
right.
that.
Just double checking.
You're kidding. They're building apartment complexes across this entire area?
Wow.
I had no idea. Well, rent's probably expensive. Now we got some
Someone
time.
from Texas in front of us.
Unless they want to go north on 24, but
Wouldn't that punch us straight into the core?
No. North is not a good option because then we'd miss everything. Actually, we need to head southeast where everything is worn already. 2 inch. Steady. As long as we don't get hit from behind. Really mean like that. Far left.
Yeah. As long as we don't go too far east on 94. Because 94 takes a while to get back.
It does. Depends how much traffic is going on.
Mostly because it's just a long, straight road.
Well, it's also because I realize it's not just the service road that's used for commuting, it's used for truckers and all that.
It's also used for the military personnel. Schreiber and Peterson.
That's what I was saying, right? It's like a military.
There's road work. Forgot about this.
Yeah,
Good thing
you
we
could actually
left
just
when we
stay on the
did.
left.
But
Because
the
of the-
exit's to the right.
Wait, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, it would be. Learning geographical. Yeah, all that helps.
Between both of us, we'll know our roads.
Between both of us, we're actually gonna finally be. I'm gonna finally be familiar with town. Oh, that. Oh, yeah, I know exactly where that is. And I'm like, yeah. I mean, it's a lot to study, but what better way to study than do it?
Yeah.
Than active studying.
Right.
That's being in the field, but we only have our certain certifications.
How's the velocity signature log?
59.
Oh,
As
it's
long as we
59.
can get to. Here, sorry, I didn't check our ETA. Close. As soon as you pass Galley, it'll be to the.
Should we stop at the Circle K?
That same one?
That we always do.
Sure. Actually, no, about 8 minutes? No, we'll be fine. Yeah, we go East 94 from there. I think it is over. Oh! What's it doing? Big ol' hail. Oh, so close to it. Yeah, we'll be right behind it. We can follow the hail too. I want to get up close and then just take a screenshot. That's what I've always wanted to do. Is be in the right position, so you follow it and then just follow the hail droppings, like a trail.
Yeah, for sure.
We're dense. Probably.
I mean, I don't mind that. It's the cracked windshield that I'm more concerned about because that's expensive.
Nowadays, yeah. Man, yeah, we got blessings. Let's catch up with this. There, see that? See that? That's the sign. No, not this red light. This one takes forever.
Which one is this? This is
Galley.
Galley.
We sat at this light for a while.
How long was it last time?
Last time we took powers when we used to live south,
Mm-hmm.
it was like 25 minutes. The longest light I have ever sat at was that one when 25's backed up and they control it at Tejon.
Yeah.
Tejon in Nevada going north 25. I sat for 10 minutes. I was like, when will you turn green?
Yeah, it's painful. Well, we'll stick to our plan and try and see what we got here. For now. If you come up with something better on our way, let me know.
Normally I could do calculations like instant calculus and be like, oh, we'd be in the perfect position. But no.
You'd have to be smarter than a supercomputer for that.
No. I just use a supercomputer, like pinpoint the location.
Well, here's the thing is, the NOAA weather models use supercomputers, and even they're not right all the time. Oh, but with tornado warned again.
Oh shoot, dude. I think we're heading in the right vicinity.
Where are we?
We're gonna be East 94, but
Well, we might get some hail on the way.
they reported a funnel cloud.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Everyone's in the right position, but how are we supposed to be in the right position?
Yeah, that's the real question.
Oh. So right on 94, that's it. Unless you're taking a... How far is Mark Shuffle? That would take...
Decide quick.
Ah! Sorry.
I'm saying it's coming out soon. 94 is the next signal.
Shoot.
This is not convenient. Lane ending. There's a lane ending and a guy in my left lane. Okay, so
We
are we
need to get
taking
farther
94?
southeast, actually.
Are we taking 94?
No, we need to get farther southeast. I'm trying to figure out what road that would be.
Because 94 is right here.
Yeah, so actually take 94 and then we'll take a right on Mark Shuffle.
Okay. Good plan.
I'd hate to do that, but I think it intersects one of those east. Yep, we can take Bradley. That goes towards it. They recorded a funnel here.
Well, we're on the north side. The hail is going to be blocking whatever we're trying to see.
Shoot, that's what I'm trying to get further south.
Right. Okay, how do we do that?
I can't
See, I got an amble up there. That's probably from the earlier stories. Okay, so take Mark Shuffle. Mark Shuffle, Mark Shuffle. Mark Shuffle's the deck. South on Mark Shuffle?
Yes,
Okay.
because you missed the... I just realized you missed the exit for 94 at first. Just go straight south on Mark Shuffle. Because it'll take us that way, but I'm trying to avoid hitting that so we can
Right.
plan our routes. This goes all the way to Bradley Road. You can take east until you get to... You can merge to 94 back there. Curtis. Bradley turns into Curtis. All these are paved though, so it's nice.
True. Yeah, we don't want to be in dirt places.
Yeah, hopefully we can get to the back side, round the side of that store. Side of... I can speak! Yep. We just gotta get around this. Just gotta get around this hailstorm and be positioned right there.
Got it. this is the rear flank
never
of the
been here.
storm.
Now we are literally taking new routes every single day. Is this
This is 94.
I'll just keep going south until you get to Bradley, right? Plus we're actually avoiding this one, which is going to be on top of us soon. So before we can view, sweet. Sweet
Left turn, you closed it.
Nah, we're fine.
Oh, is that a smaller road?
Yeah. Also, I've never taken this road. Pretty cool. It's east of the city, but it does go east of the city. Like, it can continue going until we get to Bradley, which goes east.
This is Space Village.
Oh, there's roads out here, actually. It's by, Shriever. I just hope they're not blocked by...
By the Shriever gates?
Yes. I hope we're not entering where we shouldn't be going.
As long as we're not, like, on the base, we're good. Right lane closes ahead. Guys, let me over. Okay, Peterson is that way, so we're good.
No, Shriever is there. Where's this way?
Oh, Shriever is this way?
40. Oh. Construction's on, really? I've never been this far east. Keep going, just follow this road till you get to Bradley.
Okay.
And take you right on Bradley. Sorry, left. Keep me navigating the opposite way.
That makes sense.
Okay, here's something. Intercept briefly because of this. We're gonna have to not do this, but this side of it.
The rear flank, yeah. Oh, I see. There's a hail field.
It's sort of 30 minutes of it.
I know it's time.
Oh yeah, they warned it now. We're in the warning as we're heading southeast. Ping pong! Uh-oh.
Are we intercepting ping pong?
It's intercepting us. We're not intercepting it.
Oh, we are in the ping pong core. Okay.
Shoot. We can't
Some
get
action.
east. We can't get east. Super fast till we get to Bradley. You know the speed limit.
We don't really have a choice.
We do not have a choice. No! Dude, why?
Well, as long as it doesn't start dropping tornadoes on us, we're good.
Here comes some of the hail!
Core punch!
No! Sometimes I guess we just gotta do it because we have no other option. Or maybe we just should have waited for this one.
Wait, are we heading towards us?
Yes.
We better slow down. We don't want that to cross our path, do we? Well, we don't have a choice. Everybody else is slowing down too.
This road? Okay, yeah. We're gonna be on here so we get to...
We're gonna be on here a while. At this rate.
Yeah, Bradley is... There's no way. Because now we're getting core punch. That's it for us.
Hey, keep an eye on that velocity. I don't want us to head towards it.
Still reported that pump punch.
Alright, here's the hail. Incoming hail.
We're like, avoid it at all costs, and then in this situation we can't exactly avoid it.
Yeah. Right?
We're headed towards some strange stuff. Oh boy.
Well, we are facing towards the hail, so that's a good thing. Because the windshield is stronger than the other windows.
Doesn't even look like it though, yeah?
Well, not yet.
Why would they want it for ping pong? It's not.
I think that's it over there.
We gotta get there before we do it, right?
I don't know if anybody else is going to cooperate with that. But you know what? That might be a good thing, because that area of rotation near Security Winefield,
It's looking promising.
it's looking promising.
Also, it's developing out from that.
Yeah, and it's moving east, right? Southeast.
Yes.
So that means we'll miss it, the area of rotation. We'll get slammed with hail, but the area of rotation will not cross our path. And that's important.
Maybe we should tornado warn this one, honestly.
Yeah, that one's looking pretty
We're literally going to
good.
drive through it briefly, and then it'll be... should be ahead of us. Oh, there's the lightning.
And there's that hail core right in front of us.
Buckle your
State National
seatbelts.
Cemetery.
Buckle your seatbelts. Things are gonna get a little
Hairy.
That's not this road, it's the next one. Bradley goes farther east.
I'm gonna stay in the right lane.
Oh gosh. This isn't exactly storm chasing, this is core punching. Oh man. As long as we can get ahead of it, but that's the problem. Is
We are not
we need
gonna
to
get
wait.
ahead of it.
So
But this means we'll get behind it after it passes, which isn't a bad place.
stopping. Not to Intercept.
Okay, keep an eye out for any rain bands or hail going left to right. You do not want to enter in an area of rotation if that happens.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. That's crazy, man. Why did they tornado on this side? It should be on this side now.
That's why I'm concerned. If we're approaching this from the north, we have to keep an eye out.
Yeah, you're right.
Which is why I'm going slow, just in case.
Why is it new? Oh no! Good crane in contrast, eh?
And we're stuck in a road.
It's alright.
Oh, there's flood here.
Oh, this is Bradley. Oh, I forgot. Oh, shoot, everybody wants to pass us. Oh no!
That's the big hail.
Wait, shoot. Okay, we could just... Okay, yeah, we can continue south until we pass through it.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh!
big hail.
Alright, yeah.
Oh, oh,
Oh my gosh! Okay, we could also pull over and maybe wait.
there's not really a spot to pull over here.
Shoot. We gotta punch. Oh no! We don't want to try.
That's 80 dBz.
I know. Oh my gosh! What do we do actually?
I think we just take it slow. We just take it slow. And watch out. Oh, and it's a construction zone. Even better. Oh, great.
Oh, see, they pulled over. They're under a tree.
That's not a good idea. They're trying to protect their cars, but I don't think we'll be able to.
No, wait. Yeah, they want to wait this out.
Okay, you think we should pull over here?
I mean, maybe, yeah, maybe we should wait this one out.
Okay.
Oh gosh! You pull up close to them.
I don't want to pull under a tree.
Yeah. We gotta wait till this passes. Alright! Welcome punching.
Yeah, this is big stuff.
We're on the southern
Well, that is quarter size. At least quarter size.
Yeah? Want me to report it?
Yes, please.
Doing that. Oh! Doing that now.
Action!
Ah, it's right in front of us too. Oh, what? Did you see it?
Look at those, the size of those.
Which ones? I didn't see it.
Right there in front of the road. See that?
Yeah. Oh no, it was like flat. I thought it would see.
Well, hey, even if it's flat, it's got a diameter.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wow, we did not have another option. Please pass this.
There's some big hail.
Jeepers. Oh my gosh! It's breaking on
$5
the...
at least reported. Wow.
Wait, did they report that?
No, NPing report.
Yeah, that was me.
Any spotters. Oh, that was you?
Well, yes.
Okay, cool.
Well, no, I think they're in front of us too. They reported $half. I think they chased us too.
Awesome.
I'm pretty sure they're close to in front of us. Oh man!
Geez.
I mean, they have their emergency lights on. We guess we.
That's what I did too. That's what you're supposed to do.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, intensified right over us. And that's not the most intense, biggest stuff. If
Yeah,
we see
that's
it, we
straight
can also
ahead,
follow-
and people
yeah.
are still going straight. They're going to run right into that. That's whew, they better have insurance.
Oh, I didn't see those giant ones that bounced off. Gotta see that. This is a wise move to do. We can see if there's other chasers. Cheapers! 1.25.
That's the warning
Okay,
sign.
are we out of it? We're kinda out of it. Okay, now they're driving towards it. Should be. Man, I don't want to drive through that. I really don't want to drive through that. Velocity is good on the other side, though.
Alright, should we go?
Yeah, now we can. Radar firm just updated.
Oh, we're in the heavy rain part only?
Yes.
Okay.
I have not picked up a hailstone yet, but I would have seen the larger ones on the side of the road.
Wait!
Oh my gosh, I've never taken
A lot of
this road.
flooding here too. Well, okay, not a lot, just
Pretty
30
fast. This is ridiculous.
Okay,
Sad
that
that
report is
this
still
road-
pretty strong right behind us, so I'm gonna take it very slow.
We may have to. Oh, this goes to Fountain. Fountain Boulevard.
On Boulevard? Okay, cool.
Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah, we have to turn around because we can't get farther east than Bradley.
Okay.
I would like to get farther east than Bradley, but these are looking way too much southeast. 25 would be way further out.
I'm taking it very slowly because, wow, this is a messy construction zone. I get the feeling they encountered some storms earlier. Fountain the City or Fountain Boulevard?
Fountain Boulevard.
Okay.
Let's go towards Fountain.
Of course, Fountain.
Wait,
area
wait,
is-
wait. Let's go to 25.
What?
Well, that's where all the storms are headed. That's good.
Okay, should we pull over again, or?
No. Not yet. Here comes the hail again. Keep going straight. Power's good to 25,
Oh, this is big
right?
stuff.
Power's
Oh,
good
yeah.
to 25. Okay. You're gonna take it. You're gonna take it right.
Here we go.
You're gonna take it right.
All right, where?
Because we gotta get back to this. This will be the power. Back to power.
Take a right to go back to power?
Yeah.
Is that where we're gonna have to go? Oh yeah, 'cause you gotta get home.
Oh man! much hail! Oh my gosh! Alright, okay, go! You have all this on footage now?
Yep.
It's just flooding, look at this! Oh my gosh. Good. This goes back to towers. Whoa!
Yeah, there's some debris in the road here. People are pulling over, that's probably a smart idea.
Flash flooding, yeah. This goes back to towers though, so...
Oh, right, must turn that down.
Ah! Pretty intense stuff, man. I haven't had something like this in a while. I've seen one. It's all on the side of the road, look at that. Oh my goodness.
I think we're out of the hail itself, but now we've got flooding as an issue.
Just gotta get back to... Ah, we're in the clear! Ah!
I don't think we're in the clear yet. Oh, that's heavy rain, okay. Yeah, it's probably right.
Oh wait, you went the wrong way!
Wait,
oh, no,
what?
you didn't. No, sorry. No, you didn't. My map was upside down. This goes back.
I was gonna say.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, the hill's just piled up. We should just take, I think we should just maybe tell
Oh my gosh, I saw a really big stone there.
Oh really? Where?
It was like that big. Woo! Oh, there's another one.
Oh, what should we do? Oh, that's people are coming outside.
Well, they're melting already, so
Yeah,
I think we
they're
missed those.
Dang, I did not know Fountain Boulevard. Dicey. Oh, it's just evaporating on these sides.
Look at all the wind and waves and twigs everywhere. Okay, so we're out of the tornado warning.
Safe on that. Punched right on the edge. Right out the edge. Unless the tornado warning was like... Jeepers! Is that from the hail?
Yeah.
Hold on a
Hail of this size, that'll do it. Well, we didn't see any tornadoes or anything, but
from here, so we could see that in the warning.
oh well. It was a pretty intense chase, all things considered. Oh, we're in wide
stacked on
That's
top.
why. Okay.
Three stacked on top of each
Three tornado warnings stacked on top of each other for areas of rotation going all over the place in this line. Wow.
Okay, we're approaching towers.
Cool.
We can take South Towers to 25 to the quicker way to get. So you're gonna take a left on Towers to intersect back to...
Take a left. We're heading west. We need to take a right? Because it's north, right?
Well, what's the easiest way to get to 25?
25?
Yeah. That's easier than Towers.
What road is this?
Towers.
No, I meant the one we're on. In that case, it would be easier to take Fountain Boulevard.
I didn't know Towers went this far south.
I did.
Wow.
We just never gone this way south.
I also just want to take the Towers all the way back to the Sheesh. That was intense.
That was fun.
Oh, they warned the entire sector now. 2-inch.
That's what we missed. Barely. Actually, we may have hit some of the 2-inch, now that I think about it.
There's so many little roads that you can just continue until
This is a cool area. We're going to have to come down here more often. I don't think we've chased in this area before.
Look at the numerous hail reports that happen every year.
that is turning into a pretty wild area of rotation to our southeast there. Someday we'll be able to chase that, but not today, unfortunately.
Yeah, well, we're approaching Bradley. This is where I wanted you to go east.
Right.
It's way too far east, though.
Yeah, the whole storm is way too far east now. But that's okay, because this severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until what, 8 p.m.? So there's a chance I might see some more stuff. 10, okay.
Yeah.
So there's a good chance I might see some more stuff at home, in which case I'll pull out my phone and record it for shorts and stuff.
That exact comment.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching and joining us on this little adventure. It was definitely a pretty exciting chase. I now wear these hail dents with pride.
Everything just how they moved southeast was nuts.
All right, I'll catch you party ponies later if more stuff happens.